Have a good day, teacher and my dear friend. Today I am going to explain about how to assemble prosthetic knee for the TF device. First we follow measurement chart and check height of knee axis to floor. Then after we attach foot ankle disc with concave cylinder. Then keep this one called knee shell, pylon and knee. Then we measure correct height and use vernier caliper and want to measure deep of the concave cylinder. Here is measure. 7.5 centimeter. I keep it on the shank and using marker and mark correct height. If we measure the correct height, then we want to remove another part. After cut cylinder, and we apply Vaseline or grease on the shank and concave cylinder. That's why we can easily connect with shank with concave cylinder. Then we use transfemoral knee assemble device and connect with knee shell with concave cylinder. But we want to make sure its posterior wall is parallel. Then before we mark the correct length, you see the blue color line. Then we remove this one. Now you see its correct position. Now we connect foot, concave cylinder and knee shell with concave cylinder. Now we can call it now shank. Using wrench and we tie. Then we want to keep it 90 degree process. When I use engineer scale, I check sagittal plane. This have 90 degree, and I can use only tilting. Okay, sagittal plane is okay, and coronal plane it's okay 90 degree. Then I want to make sure it's transverse plane, so I use plumb line, and plumb line I keep mid of patella to its drop first and second to mid. Finally I measure knee axis to foot. Now I measure knee axis to tip of foot. Okay, it's 48. This means correct height. Okay, this is my explanation about how to assemble prosthetic knee for the TF device.